Hey, what's up guys? Welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this one, but not this one eventually. Obviously, I mean the XL one. The Rout-n-Plane Bench Top Board Mill. The XL. I was going to buy just the extension of it, you know, to take this one off, but I didn't want to deal with the whole taking these legs off, putting the other ones on. I could have done it, but you know what, for the extra, I think it's 60 bucks or 80 bucks, whatever it is. Might as well just get the whole thing. I know they also sell them with kits. I think they call them deluxe kits or something like that. And they come with templates and all that for like cutting boards. So if you're into that kind of stuff, you know, just using templates for cutting boards, that works too. I think it comes with a couple router bits too, but I like to make my own shapes. I also have a laser, so if I ever need a template, I could do it on my own. Let's get into it. Let's see what's in the box. I already kind of opened it, as you can see, but I still haven't opened nothing yet, but let's check it out. Alright you guys, so we're doing the unboxing a little bit different angle. I could use both of my hands now, so that's pretty cool. In here, obviously it says it right there, but let's just double check. Sure enough, there's one. The box over there. Put it away later. Here's the other skit. Bam. As you guys could tell, I already have a video like this, so if you want to check out the other unboxing, I believe I explain stuff in there too. I don't know, I can't recall exactly. Always be careful when you're using a blade. You don't want to go too deep in, start scratching stuff, you know, so always be careful. Damn, strong tape. Alright. So there it is. What's in here? Nothing, just the box. Perfect. Something's in this one for sure. Okay, here's the MDF. Cool. See what's in here. It says one. See what's on in one. All the mechanic this. These, honestly, I don't know what I did to the other ones. They're probably somewhere in my shop, but we'll find them later. I'm probably gonna lose these two. I hardly ever use these, just because I don't want to mess up my MDF table. And here are all the screws and everything you need to put it together. Cool. Piece of paper to hold those two boxes down. Cool. Let's see what's in here. Box 2. Damn, man, what it? Oh, we're gonna see what these freaking boxes made out of. Okay, cool. I need these. This one, I'm not even gonna put it together. I already have one, which I need to find as well. I don't know where I left it, but I'll probably just leave this one and this one in this bag. This one and this one and this one. We're done with that. Cool. Take the big boy out. Nothing in this box. Nothing in this box. Cool. Alright you guys, so here it is. Here's what comes in the box. This. The center tool, which I told you I already have it. So just gonna leave this in there. Basically, it looks like 1/2" acrylic. Cut with their lasers over there. And we got the two legs, which go with this inside, like that. Or you know what? You could put it either way, either or, like this or like that, whatever you think it's correct. And then this one, I'm gonna put it to the side. These two, put them to the side. This is the one you're looking for. Let's see if we can put it together. Guess that's a good place to put all your stuff so you won't lose them. I'm gonna put it on the first one. And with this one, oh, never mind. Let's do that, and then put a screw in so that won't happen again. In here. My bad. Forgot. So these go in here. I don't think it matters which way. If it does, we'll find out later on in the future. Put it in here. And alright, so now you open this one. These go So this is for the left. So I'm guessing if you turn it this way. So this is for the left. This one's for the right. Is there an R on there? No. So they only put the L on one. See that? So this one goes on this side. This is where you use these screws right here. One of these little nuts. My goodness, bro. Really? My God. One person, whoever does that, needs a freaking raise over there at Woodpeckers. I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so this is a piece of NDF. As you can tell, there's a hole right there. One right there. So that's where this comes in handy. See why in a minute why I told you not to go all the way, but nice and flush before you go all crazy. Try to get it as centered as you can. You know, I'm crazy like that, like stuff not crazy. I just like stuff to be done right. That's it. And then you grab your Allen wrench that comes with it. Sure it's nice and flush from the top. Okay, feels good. Feels good. Bam. Alright, you guys, so there's the two of them right there side by side. As you can tell, this one I put the feet the other way, which again, I don't think there's a right or wrong way to put these on. Could be like that or the other way, or like this. I don't think it really makes a difference, or depending on where you're using it. Same concept, you know. These are obviously, this one has more screws to unscrew. This one is 31 inches long, which is 789 what is it, millimeters? I don't know. Yeah, millimeters. And this one's 22, which is 560 millimeters. And wide, see the wide, 13, which is 330, and same. The wideness is the same thing, but there you go, man. See, same. I don't need to get the other one. There's both of them. I'll show you guys the difference when I have it up, so you guys can see why I got this bigger one. What was the whole reason behind it? But all right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.